Lush Loom has completed another latest project in downtown Dubai, and this one is all about creating the perfect balance between luxury, privacy, and natural light. For this project, we installed custom blackout and sheer curtains, designed specifically to complement the interior while giving the client complete control over the light and privacy throughout the day. The transformation starts with the windows. Instead of using ready-made curtains, every curtain was custom-made according to the dimensions of the space. This allows the fabric to fall naturally from ceiling to floor and creates a much cleaner, more luxurious appearance. The first layer is the sheer curtain. During the day, the sheer fabric filters the sunlight beautifully, filling the room with soft, natural light without making the space feel too bright or exposed. Then comes the blackout layer. With the blackout curtains closed, the atmosphere changes completely. They reduce incoming light, enhance privacy, and create a more comfortable environment, especially when you want a quieter and more private setting. But the real beauty is in the combination. The two layers can be used independently, giving the space different looks and different levels of light control throughout the day. For the installation, our team focused on the details that make a custom curtain project look premium. The curtain tracks were positioned carefully, the panels were aligned precisely, and each curtain was adjusted to achieve clean, even folds from top to bottom. No unnecessary gaps, no uneven drops, just a smooth and polished finish across the windows. And once everything was installed, the difference was clear. The curtains didn't simply cover the windows, they became part of the interior design. The soft sheers add elegance and depth, while the blackout curtains provide the privacy and functionality needed for everyday living. This downtown Dubai project is a perfect example of what happens when custom design, quality materials, and professional installation come together. From the first measurement to the final curtain fold, Lush Loom focuses on getting every detail right. Another downtown Dubai space transformed with a custom curtain solution by Lush Loom. Luxury isn't just how a space looks, it's how perfectly every detail works together. But what truly completes a project like this is the attention to detail behind the final result. From selecting the right combination of sheer and blackout fabrics to achieving the perfect length, alignment, and finishing, every element has been carefully considered for this downtown Dubai space. The final result is more than just a curtain installation. It is a complete transformation of the windows and the atmosphere of the room. Lush Loom custom curtains, professionally crafted and installed for exceptional spaces across Dubai.